Among the many planets in the solar system, Jupiter has always been the planet that demands our attention. It is not only the largest planet in the solar system, but also a truly unique one. Just when you think it has revealed all its secrets, it does something new. This very unusual phenomenon, discovered by the Juno spacecraft, is happening in Jupiter's atmosphere. Scientists call it a vortex. It attracted attention because nothing like it has ever been seen on Jupiter before. Previously, various cyclones and hurricane-like storms had been found on Jupiter, including the Great Red Spot. For various reasons, huge cyclones or hurricanes can form on gas giants. But for these storms to align and create such a mysterious shape is truly amazing. Observations of this planet showed that at its north pole, whether on Jupiter or Saturn, such a perfect shape is nearly impossible to find on Earth. Oxford University ran an experiment which demonstrated that wind speeds on Saturn are faster than the atmosphere's rotation, allowing the hexagon's vertices to form. Regarding Saturn's hexagonal storm, scientists found it is 50 times larger than Earth's biggest hurricane. When scientists first saw the hexagon on Saturn, it was blue because it was northern winter. By August 2009, spring was beginning, bringing many atmospheric changes. With more sunlight and increased aerosols, the storm's color shifted from blue to gold. It's very strange and mysterious that both Saturn and Jupiter show hexagonal patterns. Regarding Saturn's hexagon, you could say its shape is a solid form, one that is not easily broken. However, the phenomenon on Jupiter is somewhat harder to explain, because it is not formed by a giant gas cloud like Saturn's hexagon. Instead, it consists of 7 vortices, which together form this shape. The only current theory attributes it to the planet's gravity. Some believe that an asymmetric gravitational field exists in that area, holding all the vortices together. But the problem with this theory is that other similar formations on Jupiter don't seem to follow this pattern. As for how the storm started there, and how long it has lasted, no one really knows. That's all for this episode. Please remember to like and share. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.